Hello everybody, welcome back to another vlog. I haven't done one in a few weeks. Life's been pretty boring recently, so I haven't been vlogging. But we're just moving villas today. So I'm gonna take you guys through that. We've got to clean the car because it stinks. Kind of let go a bit. I got a little bit messy at this villa and the car's got messy, so we're gonna fix all that today. I've packed up pretty much everything. We've got so much dirty washing. Pretty much all of my clothes are dirty. So we got a new, I'm pretty sure we got a washing machine in the new place, but I didn't realise when I was booking this one that we didn't have a washing machine. I kind of forgot. I think Remy's packing somewhere or she's working. But yeah, let's get into the day. Also, I'm wearing a stained shirt. Bleach.
If you can't already tell, it's raining pretty heavily. I just had to run out and move the car because it's got all our stuff in the back and it was out in the rain, so I moved it. And then as I parked it, where I parked it in shelter, the guy as I was leaving told me, you can't park there, and I sprinted away.
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Now I am literally something like that. But we made it.
I guess some parents.
What do you want to do?
Yeah. Oi! Hey, come on. Come on.
My hands are shaking so much.
Yeah, no. I need to get myself a new camera, man. Look, that guy in the comments was saying I might hire him actually, you know. You know what I'm saying? No. Just found our new local 7-Eleven and we're gonna buy some water, maybe a big thing of Coke actually, I'm thinking.
Can you get Coke Zero?
Yeah, we can get Coke Zero. Yeah. We're also gonna get crisps. Apparently these coffees are good, so I'm gonna get 2. You might like it as well because you're a coffee drinker recently. My girlfriend, Remy. My girlfriend.
Mary? Who's Mary?
Fuck, no, Mary.
Stop doing that. What is it? Are they sweet?
Yeah, they should be. They're coffee. Anyways,
Coffee.
basically my new girlfriend Mary, she has recently been starting to drink coffee for the first time in the world.
I lost my virginity.
She's Virgin Mary.
Banana.
Yes please. So we're gonna try this coffee.
What are you gonna do?
Try it. Why is this camera still on me whilst you're trying? Alright, this is my reaction to Remy trying the coffee.
Mmm.
Out of 10?
That's actually quite like an 8.
Really? Wow. Hello everyone. We haven't really done anything since we got back in. Actually, Remy went to the gym. And we are going to go to the recovery centre in like 20 minutes and eat and ice bath and sauna and stuff. We both just feel really exhausted. I don't know why. I'm trying to think.
Probably going out 2 nights ago.
Yeah, we went out for the first time a few nights ago, and oh my god, it's probably still that actually, to be honest.
I think so.
But yeah, I've done nothing else, so it's not a very busy day. Yo, it's the Hyperman set. AJ Tracy live and direct. DJ mash up the deck. The microphone champions live and direct. And again, it's the Hyperman set. AJ Tracy live and direct. DJ mash up the deck. The microphone champions live and direct.
It's very dark this one. Yeah.
We've got the sauna behind me. We're gonna go in first. We've just ordered food, ice bath and a cold bath. So we'll probably do a quick ice bath and the cold bath as well. And then around the corner there's a red light district infrared sauna, which is better for your joints and stuff, and it's not as hot in there. And then there's also a CO2 mineral bath. So we're gonna go in the sauna first, and then we're gonna eat and then go in the rest. So
I'm gonna get.
I was in the cold bath, another ice bath. I really don't want to do it. I just want to chill in the sauna, but I'm just gonna do it, and I'm sure I'll feel nice afterwards. Alright, so yeah, we're watching the Hunger Games. I've actually never watched it, and Remy's really offended. So far, 9 minutes in, obviously I'm not expecting a lot. So far it's been pretty shit. Here we have a pad krapao. Again, I just had one. I forgot about that. When they deliver it, they bring it in this little bag, and sometimes, oh no, they haven't done it this time. Sometimes they close it really annoyingly, so it takes ages to open. With a rubber band, they'll have to tie it up. Very annoying, but oh, that looks juicy.
Smells good.
Remy's fasting, so she's just got to watch me eat this. But it's fine, she can go on her phone while she watches.
Shut up.
Oh, let's give this a try.
What the hell?
It's a bit spicy still, but it's good. And all for me, for my dessert. I will probably finish this before I go to bed, to be fair. I've got 3 Biscoff croissants and 1 Biscoff donut, and then 1 custard. It's like a croissant mixed with a donut. I think, how do you call it, a cronut, and it's got custard in it. So let's give that a big fat bite to show you guys what it's like. Actually, wait, you can see where it gets filled up. Look, I've ordered from here before. So you see where it fills up, so the cream's mostly on that side. One more.